welcome to another makeup tutorial. In today's look, we're going to be using our BH Cosmetics Back to Brazil palette, and I'm just going to go in with this mustard yellow shade on a Morphe 441 blending brush, and we're just packing that shade on. Alright guys, so now we're going to take this hot pink shade and we're just going to blend those two colors together. Right here I'm going to be using my Morphe 433 blending brush, and you'll see me go back and forth between brushes just to make sure those colors are really blended in. Okay, so here I'm just packing on a little bit of my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer on my eyelid just so that the color can show up more pigmented. And I'm going to go in with the hot pink shade on my Morphe 152 brush. And I'm just packing that shade all over my lid. Alright guys, so I did my other eye and applied lashes off camera, and now we're just going to get into foundation. I'm using my 439 Morphe brush and my NARS foundation in the shade Sahil, I think it's called. It's a medium 2.5. After I buffed that in with my 439 brush, I'm just going over that with a Morphe Beauty Sponge. And I'm just basically just patting off all the excess foundation for a more seamless look. Alright guys, so now we're going to jump into concealer. I'm just using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade 22N Light Neutral. And I'm just going to place that under my eyes, on my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead. And I'm also going to take another Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair Neutral and just put that right under my eyes just for a more bright effect. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade 13.5. I'm using this as a contour shade. I'm just going to place it along the perimeter of my face just to create some shadows and give more depth to my face. And I'm just taking my Morphe E4 contour brush and I'm going to blend that out. Okay, so now I'm going in with that same contour brush and I'm just darkening my contour a little bit, and I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the shade Walnut. Alright, so after I let that concealer sit on my face for a bit, I'm just going to take my Morphe sponge and go ahead and blend it in. Okay, so now I'm going in with that Morphe 439 brush that I used on my foundation, and I'm just blending out any harsh lines that I may see between my contour and my highlight shade. Okay, so after I finish blending that out, I'm going in with my Morphe Beauty Sponge and my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just going to set all those highlighted areas. Okay, in that last clip, I also set my contour shade with the shade Yara from the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette from Juvia's Place. And now I'm just going in with my MAC Studio Fix powder foundation and setting all over my face and wiping that translucent powder off. Alright, and so once I get done dusting all that translucent powder away, you're going to see me going with some setting spray, the Bear With Me by NYX, and just spray that all over my face and set that in with my beauty sponge. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my highlight and blush. For my highlight today, I'm going to be using the Becca Cosmetics highlight in the shade Opal. And I'm going in with my Morphe 501 brush. And then for blush, you're going to see me go into that same Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette and use the blush shade Lena with my Morphe 405 brush. Okay, so now we're going to go on to lips, and we're going to be using our Gerard Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Share. And then on top of that, we're going to take our ColourPop Lippy in the shade She Bad, because you know, we bad. And on top of that lippy, we're going to apply NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the eyes, and here I'm applying my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk to my waterline, and I'm also going to pack on some of that hot pink shade to my lower lash line, apply some mascara, and put on some inner corner highlight, the same highlight we used earlier, the Becca Cosmetics in the shade Opal, and go in with some setting spray. This is all for this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see y'all on Friday.